Hello everyone, how are you? Hope all of you are well and stay at home. Today our topic is completing sentence, the continuation of the previous class. Number 17, time. For time we use before, after, till, until, when, well, since, as long as. These connectors. Before. The structure of before is if you have present, past, future perfect tense and then in the middle before. After that there will be present, past or future indefinite tense. That means if you have before in a sentence, before you have to use indefinite perfect tense and the next clause will be infinite tense. For example, I have finished reading the novel before. Our teacher started it in the class. So I have finished is the perfect tense and started is the past indefinite tense. After. In structure of after, you have to use present or past or future indefinite tense first, then after, and second clause will be present or past or future perfect tense. That is the opposite of before. For example, we went out after. The rain had stopped. So went is indefinite tense and had stopped is perfect tense. While. Two actions at same time. For example, he came to my room while dash. He did not wake me up. So he came and wake up. These two actions is in the same time. In the blank we can write I was sleeping. So sleeping came to home is the same time and that's why here is well. When. Two actions in two clauses. First action in first clause, then when in the second action in the second clause. For example, when he came out dash, he was worthy of such greetings. What we can write? Everyone started clapping. So started clapping and worthy of such greetings. Two actions are here. So first action in the first clause and second action in the second clause. Since duration. For example, I could not recognize you at first. It was 5 years since we dash. Last met at book fair. So it is the duration when they last met. Until or till. It means up to. For example, wait here until or till dash. I have a serious matter to discuss with you. In the blanks, I come back. So it is the time up to you wait up to I come. As long as, during the whole time. For example, we'll remember our freedom fighters as long as dash. We live. So the whole time we live, we will remember our freedom. Homework for today. Number 1. When I was a child dash. Number 2. I have lots of work to do. I cannot join the party until dash. Number 3. The road is very busy all time. We must be careful while dash. Number 4. His elder son lives in Paris. It was many days since dash. Number 5. Don't worry. I dash after. I have finished my study. Number 6. I was very optimistic about winning the game. I dash before I took part in the competition. Number 7. I cannot go till dash. So today up to this. Thank you everyone and be safe.